samahan niyo akong mag-unboxing. Ito, kakarating lang din ito para sa mga projects ko sa Canvas. So, ito naman yung dumating is yung binding machine ko. Yay! Matagal pinag-ipunan. Ipon pa more. Yes. So, what, you want ice cream? Okay. Wait a few times. Go to your chair. Go to your chair. Okay. Okay. Okay, you like ice cream? Okay. Wow. Ito yung strips na para melting siya. Melting strips. Okay. Ayan. So, ganito siya. Binding machine. Ball pen knife. Kulit na. Ball pen knife. Mas easy kasi. Mas easy kasi hawakan. Yay! This is a binding machine. Oh. Okay. Instruction and free binding cover. Isa lang. At least may cover siya na free. Then instruction for use. Okay. So, ito siya. Oh, buti naman may ano. Saksakan ko na. Perfect white.